Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to create a WhatsApp chat shortcut on your Android device. This feature allows you to access your favorite chats directly from your home screen with just one tap. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once inside, navigate to the chat you'd like to create a shortcut for. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat, whichever you want quick access to. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu with additional options. From the menu, select the option labeled More. Once you do that, another set of options will appear. Here, tap on Add Shortcut. This action will prepare the shortcut for placement on your home screen. Finally, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you'd like to add the shortcut. Simply tap Add. And that's it. The shortcut will now appear on your home screen with the contact or group's profile picture as its icon. You can now move this shortcut anywhere on your home screen for easy access. Just tap it whenever you want to jump straight into that specific chat without opening WhatsApp first. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to streamline your messaging experience. Start creating shortcuts for all your important chats today and enjoy seamless communication.